With 17 years of extensive experience and research and a lot of input from educational practitioners, Kotak Education Foundation's Kotak Kshamata is a flagship program which focuses on capacity building of education practitioners across different states. Student learning outcomes is the focus of the program. To make a child future ready, there are 4 offerings that we have under Kotak Kshamata. We work with the school leaders and teachers to make sure that there are leadership practices in place which will make an inclusive environment for the student so that he can have higher learning achievements in school. We work with the foundational literacy and numeracy skills for the primary grade teachers. We also work with middle school teachers for the Communicative English program, which is a flagship digitized program that we have under Kotak Education Foundation. All of this is blanketed with a digital learning solutions program which will enable the educators to create a sustainable and digital environment in the school which will make sure that the children are learning for the future. As a part of our 5-year partnership with Goa government, we are ensuring that we'll reach out to all government stakeholders and schools in the state. We are beginning this step with 100 school teachers across 100 different schools from all the talukas of Goa.
The leadership program that we are doing, and this leadership program is basically for the HMs, the teachers at the primary level and secondary level. The main objective for these programs is to bring out the best amongst these HMs and the teachers. The objective is that once their potentials are tapped and once they excel in their own skills and they're able to get the best out of them, only then will they be able to reach out the teachers, the students, and they will be able to deliver the best that is required for the students.
Global research indicates that you increase a child's chances of future readiness by 90% if you make the child learn communicative English. That's the reason for phase 1 under Goa Kshamata project. We have 100 schools, grade 5 English teachers who will be attending the workshop for 2 days. We will focus on their self-leadership practices and we will ensure that they get the entire digitized content download for the Communicative English Future Readiness program that we are offering to the state.
There was a great deal of sharing and we have learned an amazing amount of information and insights that will help us in future workshops with other areas that we have not tapped yet. Our participants were extremely lively, extremely energetic and eager and curious to learn. And we, as facilitators, I think have learned much more from them than they have from us. Thank you.